Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data for checking. However, for downloading something, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then after making sure that you've got the internet, let's enter the settings. And here in this general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system update. Let's tap on it. And now after entering, your device will check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. So you're all set. We've got this information that we have already the latest system version. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.